What's up guys, this is Budget Outdoors with Jason. Today we're going to make some fire starters and test them out against some store-bought ones. So I got these here Camco waterproof fire starters. They advertise being waterproof. That's a big factor here. So we're going to make some, test them dry, test them wet. Other than these, which I got these at a local camping store for like $3 for 12. It's pretty steep. I went to the dollar store because we're going to test a couple different styles out. Alright, so here I got some cotton rounds, some cotton balls, Vaseline, and a candle. The candle had a narrow neck, so freezing it first didn't work. So I used some other little 2 for $1 candles, and the tin I also got from the dollar store. Yeah, heads up, if you decide to freeze the wax in a candle to get it out, just make sure you get a candle that has a wide enough neck to let the wax out. Alright, so here I decided to try to add some cotton balls to the wax, which seemed like a pretty cool idea. I unfortunately didn't have enough wax though to really coat all of them. And yeah, with the Vaseline cotton balls, they are really messy. Like, I've read about them. I didn't really look up any videos on how to make them. I guess kind of assumed, but one other thing I wanted to mention real quick about doing the cotton rounds is that they stack up pretty nice in like a little Pringles can. It's just pretty neat. So first up, there's like a control. We're gonna do these Camco ones. Alright, I think that's still smoldering, but I think that's about gonna be it on the Camco one. Just shy of 10 minutes though. It's not too bad. Alright, so here I'm gonna go ahead and light one of these wet, the Camco ones. Just because I figure I got it out anyway. And what I found is it was seemingly impossible to light. It crackled and popped a lot, but it just wouldn't stay lit. No. Alright, next up, we got the Vaseline cotton ball. And we're gonna call that not super impressive. Next up we have a cotton round. The cotton round I found later, the fold works good, but if you can give it a tear halfway up, it works even better. Yeah, we're pretty well gonna call it on that one. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. The cotton round, while I was trying to light it wet, the wind was a little on the gusty side. It still took a second, but I think it went pretty well. And then let's take a Vaseline one. And just out of curiosity, if we were to redo our Camco one, go with one in the water first. So right here, the wax coated cotton ball, it would not light. I tried and tried and tried while it was wet, and it wouldn't light. Here, the dry one did a good deal better, but when it was wet, I just couldn't get it to light. Alright, I'm basically calling it there. 7.5 minutes, not terrible. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for sticking around. I think I still like the cotton rounds the most. The Camco ones dry were probably actually the easiest to light. And the Vaseline cotton balls were also fairly easy to light. So the cotton round was a little harder. I should have gave it a little bit more of that tear to try. So I think I still like the cotton round more. And as far as wet, the cotton round for sure. I couldn't get the Camco one to light while it was wet. The Vaseline cotton ball took, I think, a little more effort than it should have to get it to light wet. The cotton round was about the same either way. It seems like if you give it the fold a couple times and then like a little rip, it works out a little better. So my personal choice for the day is going to be the cotton round. They're really easy to make. I ran out of wax, or I would have made a lot more. The wax cotton ball actually did a little better than I thought. I didn't really give it its own designated test, but it honestly did really well. Both wet and dry, honestly. So those are pretty cool too, but the fact that the cotton rounds will stack up in the Pringles can, I like that. I like that a lot. But yeah, anyway, thanks for sticking around. Alright, and always, if you enjoyed it, learned something, want to try something, like, subscribe. I'm going to try to upload some stuff a little more regularly, and do the bell thing too, I guess. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. This is Budget Outdoors with Jason, and I'll see you next time.